Hey, what's up, Tron holder? It's a short time, my brother. Definitely, you can see here 0.75%. Tron is moving upward now, so I'm so happy. I'm so excited to see this. Congratulations! And this video, my friend, I will, my friends, give you a very important and very huge update. But kindly, my friends, you need to must watch this video to please understand better now. So first of all, as you can see, my brother, the last 7 days price is 0.08%. Is in the profit, and you can see the last 24 hours, so 0.89% is in the profit, and change occur last 1 hour, 0.75% profit now. Congratulations, my brothers. This time Tron is moving upward now. Congratulations again. Now the price of Tron is 0.05, and definitely it's a very good profit, my friend, and I hope in upcoming time they will also get a very good profits now, but just in only a few hold. So holder must hold, because remember at the end of month everybody know this, today will move upward now. So I know today will move upward in upcoming time, but just in only a few hold. So thanks for watching Tron TRX holder. My prediction just in only sorry, check it out, my prediction, my brother. This time you can see, my brother, after a fails, every coin will move upward now. So definitely, my friend, you can see here the triangle is going to be angle, so the resistance line also come out here. So if the resistance line come out here, so this time you can see here that's mean to they are in the profit, and definitely they are in the profit. So I hope at the end of month they also more and more moving upward. So just in only you need to be ready for a best, my friend, trading now. Thanks for watching Tron holder. Please like this video and subscribe our YouTube channel for more this type urgent and updates videos. Allah Hafiz, take care.